This one's for the fan. Off of Craigslist for 15 bucks. Needed a little work, but as you can see, it's pretty clean. Runs great now. Needed a lot of oil. What year this thing is or anything. Maybe one of you guys out there will know. It's got the, sorry about that, it's got the switch on the side here. It starts up and runs really hard. Here's high. And here below. And then off. It takes a long time for it to spin down now. The guy I bought it from said that it had been sitting in the attic for like 30 years and hadn't been used, and it was really apparent when I got it. All the wiring inside was all dry rotted, the bearings were dry, so I took the motor apart, I put new leads on it, cleaned everything up, oiled everything. The wicks that were inside of it were really dry. It took a lot of oil, but seems to run pretty good now. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If anybody's got any comments about this or what they could tell me about it, it'd be greatly appreciated. It's a Fasco, and I believe the number on the side of it says something to the, wow, I'm not used to this camera. I don't know if you could make that. Model W2001. That's what it says. Anyway,